So I'm Jaswant Narwal. I'm a Chief Crown Prosecutor at the Crown Prosecution Service, and the CPS is a member of IDA. Really important that employers can support the legal process, especially when disclosure is made to the employer. So that may mean making sure they provide to the police any notes of meetings, as long as there's the consent of the victim in the case. And also to primarily ensure the victim is supported in terms of well-being and ensuring there is no risk or danger to the victim. Because usually we have orders in place, the victim may have restraining orders in place, non-molestation orders in place, and any breaches of those are also going to be prosecuted. They may be criminal offences. So there is an awareness, and it depends on what the employer knows and that relationship. But if there's any kind of risk of any kind of breach, then it's important that the employer tells the police, especially when it comes to bail conditions, because many bail conditions mean no direct or indirect contact with the victim. And if there is, then that perpetrator can be taken back to court and either remanded in custody or more stringent bail conditions attached. Really important to know that there are different stages to prosecution. So it may be a pre-charge, it could be post-charge, or it could even be an order against the perpetrator following an acquittal. So important to recognise at what stage that case is at. If an employer has a victim survivor, it's really important that they support that victim survivor first of all and make sure their well-being is looked after and they're in no immediate danger. Then following that, it's supporting the legal process. So any disclosure is provided to the police. There are no further discussions, no other investigations that may impact on the legal process. So some practical tips about employers is understanding the legal process. It's ensuring that any evidence that is gathered or potential evidence, leave that for the police and the investigators to determine what's important and what's not important, and to be able to just contact the police so that the case can be built by the CPS.